Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. You can always give something, even if it is only kindness. One of the deep secrets of life is that all that is really worth the doing is what we do for others. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Do all the good you can, for all the people you can, in all the ways you can, as long as you can. Kind words don't cost much, yet they accomplish much. We should remember that just as a positive outlook on life can promote good health, so can everyday acts of kindness. Kindness begins with the understanding that we all struggle. Everywhere you go, leave a glitter trail of kindness behind you. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. What wisdom can you find that is greater than kindness? Throw kindness like confetti. A single act of kindness throws out roots in all directions, and the roots spring up and make new trees. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world. Carry out a random act of kindness, with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day, someone might do the same for you. A kind word is like a spring day. Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. Kindness is the sunshine in which virtue grows. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. Kind people are the best kind of people. A little thought and a little kindness are often worth more than a great deal of money. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. 3 things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is to be kind. Kindness, it costs nothing, but means everything. Remember, there's no such thing as a small act of kindness. Every act creates a ripple with no logical end. The best portion of a good man's life, his little, nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and love. Whatever you want to be when you grow up, be kind. Kindness is contagious. Let's make it go viral. A kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. Kindness is doing what you can, where you are, with what you have. When we are kind to others, it often comes back to us like a boomerang. When is the best time to be kind? Every time. Unexpected kindness is the most powerful, least costly, and most underrated agent of human change. Kindness is more important than wisdom, and the recognition of this is the beginning of wisdom. Kindness is always fashionable and always welcome. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. Sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and caring to change a person's life. The essence of kindness is doing something for someone, knowing that the only reward you will get is a warm feeling inside. One kind word can change someone's entire day. Kindness is the golden chain by which society is bound together. Kindness is a gift that everyone can afford to give. Kindness is a passport that opens doors and fashions friends. It softens hearts and molds relationships that can last lifetimes. How do we change the world? One random act of kindness at a time. Kindness is a universal language. Kindness begins with the understanding that we all struggle. When you are kind to others, it not only changes you, it changes the world. Kindness is more than deeds. It is an attitude, a look, a touch. It is anything that lifts another person. Kindness is a beautiful cycle that can brighten the world around us. Kindness is the mark we leave on the world. Act with kindness, but do not expect gratitude. In the long run, the sharpest weapon of all is a kind and gentle spirit. Kindness is not weakness. It takes courage to be kind. Today's goals: coffee and kindness, maybe 2 coffees, and then kindness. Kindness is choosing love over hate, light over darkness, compassion over judgment. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind thoughts are the roots, kind words are the blossoms, kind deeds are the fruits. The true greatness of a person lies in their ability to be kind. How beautiful a day can be when kindness touches it. Be kind, not because people are kind, but because you are. In a world that often feels fast, noisy, and divided, kindness is still one of the most powerful forces we have. It doesn't cost a thing, yet its impact can last a lifetime. Whether it's through words, actions, or simply a gentle smile, kindness connects us, heals us, and reminds us of our shared humanity. These quotes weren't just words, they were seeds. Seeds of hope, compassion, and change. Imagine what the world could be if each of us planted just one of them today. If this video touched your heart, please don't forget to like it. It helps more kind souls like you find this message. Subscribe to the channel for more weekly inspiration that fuels your soul and reminds you of what truly matters. And I'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite quote? Or what's the kindest thing someone has done for you? Drop it in the comments below. Don't keep kindness to yourself. Share this video with someone who needs a little light today. Thank you for being here. Stay kind, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.